Do you feel bored on weekends? Do you feel anxious while waiting? Here's a fun toy for you. Fidget Spinners. Let's make it ourselves. To begin with, we go to Theme in the app. Click Spinner and download. We should install the app for the first time. Click Start. Now we can see the design interface. To make a spinner like this, we need the bearing and blades. There are 2 3D bearings and 1 metal bearing. Next, choose a metal bearing. Click Pencil. Just measure its outside and inside diameters. And fill in the parameters. Then, select 3 blades. Besides, this spinner is based on the configuration of circles, so we'll use configuration in the later process. Click Drawing Tools, choose the third one. Note, if we want to fill the image, we have to drag it to the maximum. Since there are 4 sides, we need to click 5 times to form a fly shape. Then select. Click the motif. We can add or draw points if we need. Click the first button and drag the blue and red. We can adjust the shape that we want in this way. And this part must be connected to the center bearing. At the bottom are 5 types of blades. As for a flying disc, we need a circle. Now comes to the configuration. Choose a circle. Let's make it 14. Tick. Drag it to a proper position. Let's move on to the color. Select yellow and print. We can check our design and optimize the layout. Click one press button, select Printer, and print.